Suffolk Life is one of the UK's premier providers of self-invested pension plans. We concentrate mainly on the high net worth space, although we have product offerings through most of the key market sectors.
We're a company of approximately 200 staff based in Suffolk, hence the name, in Ipswich, and we're part of the Legal & General group, but very much more of an autonomous part of that group.
Pension legislation is a fast changing area, and we need to ensure that our systems are kept as up to date as possible to meet the needs and requirements of our company, our customers and the regulator too.
Like many businesses, not just within the financial services sector but more generally, we found that from 2009-2010 we were facing a perfect storm in terms of the technology being outmoded, inappropriate to deliver the products and services that this business offers to the intermediary community and to intermediaries' end clients.
Suffolk Life asked us to come in to talk to them about their virtualisation project. We quickly established very early on that they needed somebody to work with them to make the project a success.
The key point was that we needed somebody with the right skill set that could come in, join forces with Suffolk Life and actually cover all of those areas that we needed to touch on. Because virtualisation is not just a single project, it touches on every area of the infrastructure through networking, storage, server equipment, all of those areas, and we needed somebody that had skills across the board.
So we were able to engage very quickly with them. We brought in the subject matter experts at first day into the workshop. We quickly worked with them to put together a project plan.
We had the right amount of technical expertise within the team. We had the confidence in our abilities, and we were able to partner and team up with Suffolk Life to a great degree.
Okay, day-to-day operations within the project itself were very tightly met between Suffolk Life and IBM. My relationship specifically was with Derek as project manager. We spent a great deal of time going through ensuring that both the IBM resource and Suffolk Life resource were delivering as we expected. We're working to the relevant schedules and everything was going in the right direction, and we're actually mitigating the risks that were coming up on a daily basis, as they always do with any project. Within the team itself and the technical resource, the Suffolk Life team were working very closely with the IBM team to ensure that where we had particular people with a specialist interest in storage, they were talking to the relevant people with IBM with their storage interest. Similarly at the virtualisation level and various other components within the project. So there was very much a one-to-one relationship to ensure that there was good communication between the teams.
It was refreshing for us to work with a designated account manager, Ballycainth, in IBM, who had such a clear understanding of the specific issues facing the sector in which we operate, bringing the understanding of those issues with her team to ensure that we had an optimal technological solution to the business requirements that we had.
The virtualisation environment solution that we delivered enabled IBM to reduce Suffolk Life's data centre from 60 application servers, hardware-wise, down to around about 6.
As a result of that, we cut down on the amount of space that was required to house all the equipment, so we counted the space issues. We significantly reduced the power consumption, which is a massive benefit to the business. And on top of that, we've also then actually reduced the power consumption for the cooling and the cooling requirements as well. So we've counted all those arguments in one go.
In the process, gaining considerable flexibility, resilience, both in the live and disaster recovery environments, predictable costs, which had been an issue previously with a physical array, and the flexibility in terms of IT operations ability to deliver quick, prompt solutions to the business that the business was crying out to, either for product development or for service requirements.
We were replacing the live systems with the new systems, and we had to obviously make sure that we didn't have any downtime or disrupt the business in any way.
Having the ability and the skill set that IBM brought to the fore with us to then actually adapt that process to deal with any of those nuances that specifically affect Suffolk Life meant that we could actually migrate within the schedule and really reduce the impact on the business. As a result of the whole thing, very proud to say that absolutely negligible business impact.
Not only have we seen over the first few weeks cost savings that could run up to 37%, we've worked out that that will actually mean 150 tonnes less a year CO2 being produced by the company, and that's a fantastic outcome.
Suffolk Life were a new customer to us, and we were looking forward to some of the new challenges working together as a partnership.
Suffolk Life might be the 5th biggest SIP provider in the UK, but that doesn't mean we don't have ambitious growth plans. And to do that, we're going to have to grow our business in a number of ways. And to make sure that happens, we must have a firm IT infrastructure underneath us. And our partnership with IBM helps us do that.
The relationship with IBM has worked extremely well for Suffolk Life. It's been by far one of the best that I've actually worked with in the past, and I have worked with a number of different partners. IBM really came to the picture with an extremely good skill set, a very good team, and they delivered a very high quality solution on time, well, actually ahead of time, within budget, and far more than we actually expected in terms of benefits.